So we're going to now look at whether we can run our custom report for another month. So again, we're going to go into reporting. So we're going to go all reports. We then have to find the report that we want to work with. So in our case, it's profit and loss. So if your screen looks like this, right, where you can only see the standard report in Xero, you have to open up this little arrow. So if you click on it on your left-hand side of your screen, it will now open up your profit and loss and all the different reports that you have. So you can see here, there's our recently updated custom reports. So I'm going to click on that, right? Now, when we customized it originally, we ran it for February compared to January, right? So you can see here the date range is still showing the 1st of Feb to the 28th of Feb. So now I want to run it for the month of March. So now I'm going to click in obviously the date and I want to run this from the 1st of March to the 31st of March, right? And I'm not doing anything with filters as yet. And under more, so if I want to see year to date, I can now add in a year to date column, right? And then if I click on update, you'll see then the report has now changed. So it's for the month ended 31st of March. And you can see it's got March, it's got February, and then it's my variance between March and February. And this is my year to date transactions. And you can see there's my office expenses that has been grouped. And here's all my other expenses for that month. Okay, and then if you wanted to export it, you would just export it to Excel. You don't need to now save this as a custom report because you haven't made any changes to the report itself. And so basically, once you've created your custom report, you can then utilize that report for future months.